Hi everyone, how are you? Welcome to Backspace. In this tutorial, we will learn how to insert a letterhead on all pages in Microsoft Word in a clean, professional and reliable way. Letterheads are essential or for official letters, business documents, academic papers, company reports, invoices and professional correspondence, where consist branding across every page in required. Many users insert letterhead image but face problems when moves repeats incorrectly or appears only the first page. This video demonstrates simple and correct methods to place letterhead so it appears automatically on every page without affecting your text layout. So let's get started. We can see here many pages. Now I want to add letterhead on all page. Now I am add a letterhead on online like ChatGPT. Now I am create a prompt. Please give me a ready letterhead for Microsoft Word. Wait some moment to creating this letterhead. Now we can see here letterhead. You can make some attractive. Write again, please make the letterhead like a graphical content, and I copy that and paste on Word. Wait some moment to creating this. Now I go back on Word and we can see here many pages. Now I added the letterhead on the header. Go back again the ChatGPT. We can see here creating the letterhead on ChatGPT. Now I copy the graphical content fast on this page. Now I am select this. Then go back the Word. Then double click on the page head and we can see here the letterhead text. Now I write my company name. You can see here the dotted is long over. Now I delete this. Now I am write my company name. Here my channel name is Backspace. You can increase your text. Now you can see here my phone number, otherwise address or website. Now I don't fill up this, then close the header and footer. And we can see here the first page and we go another page and here this letterhead on every page. We make it easily. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching friends.